What's good, y'all? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we're about to check out Babymonster came out with Sheesh. Now, I've been seeing the teasers. All I've been hearing is Sheesh, Sheesh. I'm like, damn, they saying Sheesh a lot. Ahyun's back, actually, in this comeback, so this is dope. Put in the comments down below who's your bias. I'm very curious about that. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe, and check out the link in the description to check out the full music video without my commentary. Go support them. Go stream it. But without further ado, let's check out Babymonster. Sheesh, didn't they spell out the name B-A-B-Y-M-O? Yeah, they did. All right, without further ado, captions on. It's on 4K. Yeah, and 3. It's only 2 minutes and 55. I guess that's good enough. I don't. I feel like. Anyway, on a piano. Oh, she gonna play it like that. Ooh, off the bat. Oh, this is how it starts? Whoa. I love the way it starts already. Actually. Holy. Oh, I did not expect this. Did they show that a little bit in the teaser? I'm not even sure. Give me like little goosebumps for real. Oh. Okay. Okay. Bring it up. Like a whole ass. She's standing in the eye. Oh my life. Interesting breakdown too. I do like that. Be it. That little spell out. Going. Oh! Yeah. Bruh, okay, that gave me chill. Oh, I did not expect that. That got me hype, bruh. Okay. I don't know. I was gonna put my thoughts in it, but you know, I'm gonna let it play. Shit, I know. I'm pausing, skipping back. Dre, stop doing this. Shut up. It's my channel. Let me repeat that shit again. That shit was hype. Hippity hop. Okay, wait, hold up. Damn. Okay, I should just keep on going. I was gonna go back. We could do this again. Oh, let me eat this watermelon. Whoa! Okay. So far, that rap part is my favorite. Ooh, that reach out. I like that. Why'd you really have that sound though? Ah. Where we going with this? Oh, hold up. Interesting breakdown. Ooh. Damn. I'm gonna say this. This exceeded my expectations. Than I thought from the teaser. I was like, because they were really pushing that sheesh part. Sheesh. And I'm like, okay. It sounds like it goes hard, but you know, I don't know what to expect. But the whole mix-ups, the rap, bro, Babymonster got some rappers, bro. They got some monster rappers right here. And it feels like it's whole as a group now. Now that it's like the full group now. You know? Hold on, let's run that back. Off the bat. Nails though.
Baby, I'm a monster. Mona, I see you in slow-mo. You know you're in trouble.
Okay. I like the beat itself. Who worked on this? Was it Teddy that worked on this? Does it say? Well, I got everything. Hold up. Can I double check something? Babymonster. It's the first mini album. Oh shoot. I need to check this out, shall I? 7 version. Ooh, nice. Okay, that build up. There's some things in here that actually caught me by surprise. I think the beginning, this part, I kind of feel like, obviously you heard it from the teaser. The little sheesh, the little kicks too. I do like that part too. Bro, they here slaying. Oh, that little stomp too. Going. Hype me up, man. Go ahead, do your thing again. Ah! They keep going. Hey. You know what it is, I've been running this, pull up in a ghost, pick up, boo hoo. Damn. I killed that. I like that. That's literally one of my favorite parts of this. Boom. Boom. Switch up again. Or not really a switch up, it's like the post chorus. That part. This part right here too. Okay, bring them drums in. Heard that. And now this breakdown. This is the switch up, right? I'm a monster. Low-key kind of triggers me back to like Big Bang. Baby, I'm not a monster. But this time it's like, baby, I'm a monster this time. Ooh. Kind of interesting. Because it's like YG history and stuff. You know your boy be following YG like. Baby, I'm a monster. Ooh, interesting. I like that. Damn. Ooh, I love that little behind their head. Wow. It was even a lot better than I expected. Actually, going in, that was fire. I feel like that's been with Babymonster for every comeback, even like their ballad comeback. Let me see their album again. In their album, they have Monsters intro. Sheesh, like that. Stuck in the Middle. I like that song. I actually really like this. But it's a 7 version, so full group version of Batter Up, Dream, and Stuck in the Middle remix. I'm gonna have to check this out like on Patreon, which you guys could check out. I'm gonna check out the full album on Patreon. Yeah, Babymonster. Okay. Make some noise. Make some noise. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go check out the link in the description down below. Go join my Patreon. I do Twitch, Instagram. I be posting out reels, TikTok. I'm mostly everywhere. Go follow. And most importantly, go stream this song. Go stream this album, and go stream the music video. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. It's your boy Dre. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
음악에 맞춰 그냥 춤춰 히비리 핫핫 붐붐 파우 분위기 타올라 니들 눈 돌아 쨍하네 적잖네 충격일 거야 From the screen 홈런은 쳤고 내 다음을 위 어중이 도중이 중간하니